Oh my god. Right, I don't have a car at the moment because it's in the MOT. Look at this. Look at the state of this. Oh, for flip's sake. It's having its MOT and it failed and quite a lot. So, oh, I wonder what that noise was then. So it's about £500 worth of stuff to get it through the MOT. Oh, he's 22 years old, so it kind of was due. I did get, because I've come back, so basically I've had to walk to work, which is like a half-hour walk, although I got a bus for part of it because it's not on a direct bus route. But the allotment is en route, sort of. So yeah, I'm too hot. But the walk to work with a bit of a bus ride and the walk back with a bit of a bus ride, I'm bushwhacked. So got a few things to show you, so come outside. I need a coffee. Oh, it's hot work as well at my school where I work, because I work in the hall. I'm going to try and put you there. I hope you can hear me. Oh, that's not going to work. Holy Moses. Right, well, I'll put you down. Oh, thank God for that fan. It might, yeah, I don't know, audio. I need a coffee. Oh, thanks for, there's a couple of you mentioned Avon Skin So Softly, and it reminded me I had some in the cupboard, because if any of you go to the Highlands, this stuff's like really helps for midges, and I stashed it away, completely forgetting about it. So you did remind me. I don't think I need it right now, but early mornings, proper good. So thank you very much for that. A good reminder. I've got 2 of those, so I've bought one. Oh my God, I can't open it. This thing vacuum shut. I dropped it off on the way to work. Oh no. If I can't have a coffee, I'm gonna... Oh jeez, oh, this is unreal. Damn. Ooh. Mussels from Brussels. Oh jeez. Oh wow. Look at that red. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I know it's counterintuitive, but hot drinks. I need coffee. I need caffeine. No one's here. No one's mad enough to come in the middle of the day where it's kind of like 2ish. So I'm going to have to dash for school time. I was intending to paint, but I just can't. Hopefully I'll hear from the garage, because they're in the middle of it. Hopefully, I don't know. I haven't had a call today. It went in yesterday, failed, and then they told me all the suspension had collapsed and all sorts of other list. It's like going to the doctors. I've forgotten completely what it was, apart from the thing that resonated with suspension had collapsed. Something about a couple of bulbs, tyre, and a few other bits and pieces. The horn is not working. Hasn't worked for 5 years, but they sort of had missed it prior, and now it's an MOT failure, so that needs replacing. That's £50. So you know what I mean. It all builds up, doesn't it? It's a good little car though, so it's worth. Me and Al said that's our limit, and amazingly, that was exactly what it was. Is it, scrap it or repair it? Repair it is. So good for another year. So I'm completely useless today. It's the second day back to work, even though this is going to go out, because I have a couple of vlogs ahead. Because I knew the car was going in for the MOT, I thought I'd get a few under my belt, because I wasn't sure if I'd make it to the allotment. The heat, jeez. And this is, someone said at work that this is going to go on through October. I thought it was only for 1 week. I'm like, oh no. I've watered just before I turned you on. Never mind. Tomorrow But I want to start painting while it's dry. So, yeah. I've just got to, because I wasn't sure of the bus route as well. I had to sort of, that was a sort of, I had to walk a bit further to the bus stop than I realised. That's fine. For tomorrow, I know now. It will be a bit more helpful. Yeah. Oh, I was going to show you. I've got some nice honeysuckle seeds and jar seed. Oh, I've got to get up. They're cute. To put the seeds in, just pesto jars. I'll just put them inside. Where's my phone? Oh, I found my phone. I couldn't find it. Oh, man alive. Oh, Angela Drummy. You said, morning Kerry, I have just discovered your channel. Silly question alert. No such thing as a silly question, Angela. What region in the country are your allotments? As I can't find anything yet that gives me a clue. Loving the vlogs, by the way. We'll have to do a binge watch. Take care. We're in Essex, North Essex, near the Suffolk border. Essex-Suffolk border. That's where we are. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, Angela, and if you've subbed, thank you for that. You said you're going to do a binge watch. Well, that's lovely, thank you. Oh wow. So, oh, it's Deborah Palmer, it was you. You said, I use Skin So Soft too. It's really good at keeping those nasty buggers away. So true. Oh, it was so good. A few of you put that in comments. I'm just chuffed to bits because it was like, ping, I've got some. Oh, Sarah Point, with a Y. You said, put another piece of timber behind the join in the timber. You meaning in the plywood. You can fix it at either end and it will hold it in place. Then drill through the front timber onto it. I think using this, some of you weren't the only one who said this. Some of you mentioned, along with you, a strip of timber. I think that's actually quite a good idea. I don't fancy a gap. Just because it's creepy crawlies and it's the sort of insulation thing, isn't it? And it could be painted over, so it would look fine. Oh, that's nice, that is. If I've replied to your comment, I've hearted it, just so for future reference, you know, like verbally replied. Oh, Carol Bruffrey, aka Bruffrey 3258, you said you need some jungle formula to spray onto yourself, Kerry. Oh, and you went on to say, can I suggest a tube of E45 itch relief gel, which is new? Oh yeah, I never heard of that. Oh, and what? Hold on, sorry. It's new and it has no smell and no stickiness and stops the itching almost immediately. Oh, you keep yours in the fridge. You even apply it to your cat's ears. That's actually quite clever, that, isn't it? I've not heard of that. I'll have to Google that. Oh, I've got to have a slurp. I hope you can hear me okay. Should be able to. Oh, what's the time? Oh, that's nice. You went on to say, so you even apply it to my cat's ears areas that are exposed when she gets bitten in the bushes by bugs. It's a relief for her too. That's spooky. I live on stir fries. You'll think when I mentioned stir fries with the old nasturtiums, because Mel said she cooks the nasturtium leaves in stir fries. I'm definitely going to try that. One last night I did was best ever. I couldn't work out why it was better. Only thing different was more tomato puree in the sauce, and it really boosted the flavours. It's chicken, peppers, onions, mushrooms, pineapple, a must. Ooh. A lazy ginger and soya brown sugar, etc., but makes a super stir fry. I'll have it again later. It's way healthier than chips. I do love a stir fry. I really do, actually. Oh, thanks, Carol. So yeah, Jenny Rogoza, sorry. You said about the Avon Skin So Soft as well. Thanks for that. It is a nice, it's very sweet. It's a lovely smell, definitely. Oh, Andy, Green Fingered Medic, you said, I think courgette spaghetti is called courgette. I think it's quite nice. P.S. Still jealous of your plot. Oh, Andy, your plot's fantastic. I don't know what you're talking about. I love courgette. I normally would make that with the long kind of brown spaghetti because I would use a vegetable peeler to get the strips. Although I have also got a spiralizer. I wonder if I could do that with those courgettes actually. I wonder if it will fit. I might try that. Do you know, I'd forgotten I had a spiralizer until I just mentioned it. It's in the cupboard. Thanks, Andy. I love courgette, especially with, well, a bolognese sauce, you know, instead of actual spaghetti. Nice. Oh, I love your comments. I really do. I do like to. I'm going to do a catch up tonight. Oh, Linda Headley, you say, just a thought, but could the digging have been done by a fox? We are up north in Sunderland and we have loads of gnats as well. I have a bite behind my knee and under my arm. Let's hope they all don't do one ASAP. Loving your garden. They are so annoying, aren't they? I'm being bitten, not right now, but you know what I mean. It's, yeah. Someone mentioned, not you because you said it's foxes, but someone else mentioned hedgehogs. And that's interesting because I'd love to get a wildlife camera and set it up for an overnight watch. That would be such fun. I must, I don't know, try and just do some research and find out. You know, I think roughly, because I had looked before, and I watch Travel Trolls, and Dan does a Trail Cam Dan channel, and he uses lots of wildlife cameras, and they're good, sort of set, the okay ones, decent ones, cost about £100. So I'm going to have to, yeah, you know, save up or just put money to the side until I've got enough, and then buy one for the plots, because I think it would be quite fun. You just got to have to angle it such that it doesn't pick up human activity, you know. But if I come in late in the evening, leave it, and then come and pick it up early in the morning, I mean, it probably would run out of battery. And just to see what's going on at various points, see if there's any wildlife activity at night time, purely for night time. Daytime, I think you'd have to not record. Oh, all this talking gnats is making me feel itchy. Sorry, if it's making you feel itchy, I'm sorry. Oh. Well, this is an extremely short and sweet one, folks. It's just too hot, and what with work as well. And if I could dry, I mean, I hope I get my car back tomorrow morning or something like that. They haven't rung, so I have no idea. Oh, what bars is this? This camping fan is brilliant. 3 bars. To be fair, and I've used it a lot, 3 bars, that's all right. That's really good. It's a great. I had the light on for ages the other day as well. Brilliant fan, that. Oh, another coffee. No, I can open it. So the next job has got to be starting to paint the shed. I'll do that tomorrow. Start painting, even if it's this front bit in the shade. That's probably quite a good idea, because by the time I get here after work, the sun's over that way. Yeah. And then maybe early morning at the weekend to do the front when it's cooler. And I've got the Avon so softly, so hopefully, you know, the gnats stay away and the mozzies. I'm not digging this pond until this hot weather stops. I was hoping for autumn, but autumn's further away now if this heat wave's going to last longer. Ugh. And this area needs sourcing as well, but that's another whole autumn job. Autumn, aka cool weather. I want to move the raspberries and the strawberries. They're all here. They all need moving to somewhere, probably plot 25, and then I could sort these areas out and grow something. Such a peaceful place. Crickets and butterflies, that's all I can see at the moment. Lots of the white cabbage fly, butterflies, whatever they're called. What is it, white cabbage fly, butterflies? I can't remember. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Oh. Well, I'm sorry I didn't do anything. I couldn't. Just raising my hand feels too hot. It's just, I think this is worse than the June heat wave, it seems. Mind you, to be fair, it hasn't helped having to walk and get a bus. Sort of a bit of both to work. That's the what's the word? The unusual factor in today and tomorrow likelihood. Yeah. It makes travelling a little bit different, doesn't it? What could be a 5-minute journey in a car is 35 to 40-minute walk stroke waiting for a bus, getting on a bus, sitting in a hot bus, walking again because it's not direct. I know I'm moaning. I should stop moaning. Oh, no. Right. See you tomorrow, folks. Hopefully not so hot and bothered. Start painting this front bit. Yeah. We need to start. Because actually I need to do the corner anyway, don't I? So that's fine. That actually works out quite well. Yeah. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.